Portable gaming PCs have become incredibly popular recently, and if you're in the market for one, two of the latest options worth considering are the Steam Deck and the Nintendo Switch. These beasts are making waves in the gaming world, and we're here to help you decide which one is your gaming companion. So, the question remains, which one should you choose? Stick around as we dive into a detailed comparison to help you decide which one should be your trusty gaming companion. Body. Let's start the versus in a rather unconventional way. We all know the specs. So today we will focus on experience more. If you prioritize true portability, the Switch is the way to go. The Switch OLED appears notably compact compared to the Steam Deck, featuring a slim 9.5-inch design that won't occupy much bag space. Its lightweight construction, weighing less than a pound, adds to the convenience. Notably, the Switch OLED includes a sturdy built-in kickstand for easy tabletop play, a feature absent in the Steam Deck. While the Steam Deck is considerably larger and about half a pound heavier, it compensates with ergonomically designed grips that closely resemble a traditional controller. Despite its extra weight, the Steam Deck comes with a carrying case, unlike the Switch, where you'd need to purchase a separate one. Both the Switch OLED and Steam Deck offer versatile controller options and gameplay styles. The Switch's standout feature is its flexibility, as it can switch between handheld, tabletop, and docked modes for a diverse gaming experience. The Steam Deck, although capable of similar functions, requires additional accessories for some features. Both devices incorporate gyroscope-based motion controls, touch-capable screens, and impressive haptic feedback. However, only the Switch allows for removable controllers, facilitating easy multiplayer experiences. Conversely, the Steam Deck boasts a more extensive button layout, including customizable trackpads and remappable controls for a personalized gaming experience. In terms of game libraries, the choice between the Switch and Steam Deck depends on your gaming preferences. The Switch excels in offering Nintendo exclusives like Mario, Zelda, and Pokémon, along with a growing library of retro games through Nintendo's Switch Online service. In contrast, the Steam Deck provides access to a vast selection of games on Valve's Steam platform, spanning from modern hits to classic PC titles. While both handhelds offer great indie game experiences, the Steam Deck outshines in performance. Thanks to its custom AMD processor, it can run demanding PC games with fidelity comparable to a mid-range gaming laptop. In contrast, the Switch, powered by the NVIDIA Tegra Zone, compromises on graphics quality for some titles. But despite their similarities, the Steam Deck and Switch OLED are vastly different devices aimed at different types of gamers. Do you go with Valve's handheld computer that offers near-limitless options, or Nintendo's versatile console that's designed for anyone to pick up and play right out of the box? This performance disparity becomes evident when comparing games like Mortal Kombat 11. The Steam Deck displays sharp, cinematic details, while the Switch's rendering appears pixelated and blurry, albeit maintaining a smooth 60 frames per second. Additionally, the Steam Deck's speedy SSD contributes to faster loading times compared to the Switch OLED. Verdict. In summary, opt for the Switch if you desire a dedicated gaming machine. Choose the Steam Deck for a portable console that doubles as a full-fledged computer. The Switch OLED is an excellent choice for those seeking a familiar, user-friendly, and family-oriented gaming experience, especially if you're a fan of Nintendo's offerings. Its impressive game library, including exclusives, retro, and indie titles, combined with its versatile design, makes it suitable for on-the-go and TV gaming. The OLED display enhances the visual experience. On the other hand, if you crave a handheld device with the capabilities of a full PC, the Steam Deck offers a compelling option. With a broader game library and top-tier performance, it stands out as a portable gaming powerhouse. The customizable controls, compatibility with various peripherals, and the ability to function as a computer for work add to its appeal. So, that was our in-depth take on Steam Deck versus Nintendo Switch. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth gaming gadget reviews, head-to-head battles, and the latest updates in the gaming world. See you soon.